Mm. What's up, my home slices? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my grill oven, don't forget to smack that subscribe button. Today we have some really good Jack in the Box. We have their tacos, their egg rolls, their curly fries, their spicy buttery jack, and then we can't forget the jalapeno poppers. I'm just so excited, guys. So let's just get started, guys. Let me see. The tacos. I'm gonna do the tacos. And it looks like this time they did their tacos fresh. Look at this, guys. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I'm so hungry, guys. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Look at their egg rolls. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. We also have Coke, but Coke Zero. But Jack in the Box didn't give me any straws. As a matter of fact, Jack in the Box messed up a big portion of our order. And I know we have a lot of things, but come on, Jack. Oh, they're poppers. Mmm. With this buttery jack, guys. Oh. Mm-hmm. Since it's spicy, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So much food. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Jesus. Can you guys hear that alarm? I guess someone doesn't care about the car. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Legit, nothing better than getting fresh egg rolls in a Jack in the Box. Mm. You know what sucks, guys, is that they didn't even mess up my order. It was Mia's order, so they didn't include some of those stuffed fries and what else didn't they include? I don't know. It's a few things. I mean, I can't complain about mine. Because this shit buzzing. Mm. Mm. I'm out of ranches, but let me use sweet and sour for the fries. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It is so good. Mm. Mm. Oh man. I'm so full, guys. Can I fit another taco? Can I fit another one? Tacos or peppers? Oh, that burger was so good. Mmm. Mmm. Still a little bit of ranch. Mmm. I think I overate a little bit today. But it's just so good, that's why. Mmm. They melt in your mouth. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I'm so stuffed, guys. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Peace.